What's up everybody? Welcome back to Kevin on Cars. My name is Kevin and today I will show you guys how to permanently open your exhaust valves on your JCW Pro exhaust. Alright, let's get started. So first, you want to just start the car. And then second, double press the exhaust valve so that they're open. I don't know if you can hear that, but the exhaust valve just opened and this thing is flashing. There you go. Here. And now you go to the back of the car to open the trunk. And in the trunk on the side here, there's a cover that you take off. And inside the cover, you have to unplug the big plug. So that will disconnect the Bluetooth system on the exhaust valve. So just like that, you unplug it. I usually just leave it in there. Doesn't really make a noise, so I just leave it in there. And after that, you can just close the cover and you should be good to go. And I don't know if you can see, but the exhaust valves are open. And now when you turn off the car, the exhaust valve doesn't close. So there you go. Alright, so that's how it is done. So if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.